Right, Yema Abusia for any for Papa, and Rasinupi on Kumau TV, and then a 24th day in the month of June 2020. I trust it, Pina Padaruma, I trust Vinyamre, now to me at the Nkomo. There are a lot of issues I laying the meeting are discussing. Mobaka Nano Pesia, that His Excellency, the President, and Oman Ghana, Eddie Nkomo, the 12th time. Now, I say, Eduarda. At the from senior high schools final year, and then the second year go track for Enco school. Mofana Apudu school. Now there has been a lot of issues. Rumors are eba and who says every must students be tested positive. You must say when I'm ready to meet Eddie Komona. One penny casa on Sunday, no. He made mention of a certain way Munya Pa was in Yamre. Now you didn't come. But before then, no, now the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly. And California, the Chadunubia, a more to me a true and a movie. Yes, stigmatization. Yelly and Nubia, a young from swap, and a ammonia yareno, on what on Buffino, Eddie, Sebusian for ever signing Ajomobu, Ewo, if you diabua, Omotimo. I read also a little Unyakana Motawa, and I dare Sabia, ever sign baby, and I say Bucranoa, I would best with you. It's the one for beer, William Red, night to me at the home command so far. Yari Buswa air cost oh my Ghana information and it's a Ghana's education minister Matthew Opoku Prempe and I'm not Jordan Kodun crime. Say 900 kakra. I'm quite testing results none my but no one had the economy. What to me isolating her. We all flew her. Minister for Regional Integration Dan Botri and also testing or change results no. I said this economy and also isolating her. And then CEO for Kuala Lumpur Teaching Hospital, and also attested positive to COVID-19. Absence of Vinyamre, now yet me Eddie Nkomo on the novel coronavirus and matter that rising out of this pandemic. Vinyamre Pioneer Nkomo. Schools are all speculations ever say students living in start attested positive. For the one we can confirm as stands now, Accra Technical University. And some staff and some students in information say are tested positive to the novel coronavirus. Even I'm ready to come out also and there's quite so MP when you couldn't have a parliamentary candidate now. The incumbent member of parliament, Dr. S.K. Nyama, reform pa Amamino say no K for K. Kingsley Nyakon, on the issue of Electoral Commission, NDC, and Uraba, and so at the Electoral Commission across Supreme Court. On one sense, some entry being now yet to me, Eddie, and I can answer so. Mark Tetty Benson, and also a court. Now, or to say, or Sarah, as we got to share, now almost easy question or more any new voter register. Nanka, Imani Ghana, and Avi, other civil society organization, FSA. I'm doing a canon. I'm also a friend of the court, amicus curiae, but and Miyama, so we got Anyantu. Easy, and I want to say, new voter register, on your money, and a Supreme Court, Evema, the ruling. Even I'm ready, the home of Krabi, because it was a seminal Ebusua Ewo Court. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is a leader of the NDC, the flag bearer, and the former president of the Republic. For the NDC for him, Eddie Simbi Ashe, or communication officer, somebody if I'm a man, they have contained 18 campaign promises, and NDC for their Tuda. Restoration of teachers' union allowance now, Abanom Munchen. Technical education, a very free. Almost say, Omoba, Ombabwa, I'm a teacher for you, Papa Ada. Now, Lancia exams no, Umbichem. These are many more. That's a William Red, now yet to me, Eddie Hong Kong, or meeting at Michael. Nana Adomako, I with me Afrem, Sir Mike, my guest, and the any part is here, me son Patrick Balfour Kwame, a tria, a NDC regional communication team member. What are you about? We have a body. Good. Why if you're so net?
Oh, okay. They will not be and young woman,
some mamma motion. Maybe I'm so high.
Okay. Because when you cook one eye after good year, I could further there. When yes, It is a wire family. Said there was 2 hours actually. And also combination of Taylor and Oya Day of Joe. I don't see Yaba, and I hope I don't say you and I was for
George Opokuam concern, George, a personal assistant to the Kumasi mayor, Ura or say SB entry. You're the cover.
Yeah, then we see.
You have a code.
And the mayor will
Talk on you, come on. Set more banking for
and I guess I have the when you near Patrick. Oh, yes.
Moon, I
What's the
not very only.
Nakupa, she was a good care of me. We saw all boys my day, and my son to my and a gun of mine. Okay. So you said COVID-19 by a come front line is that. Yeah. May I come about? Oh, sure. So come. It is a may I come home here, but it wasn't good that one and better. It's more bonfire and Makai. If you saw sharp good and quiet, it's in one from Munia there. Say, Koyano Crown, let's say. We are all at risk. And I was saying, hey, the shame can
right. And then, we are many penny, Inisa Sedu, a Ashanti regional coordinator at the Emma Hefra. I can't have an Iron for heading who Hefra no, sir, by Hefra no, and in charge of all hospitals. So with me, pretty, say, come for nothing, who say a day, and a bit me a culture say, yes. Facilities near a bit to me, I'll pretty. Almost confirm to Muna, Muntimi, and my doctor's name to be crowned, and there's a fun alcohol and alcohol. I'm an alcohol here. I sent to the Nabos, and I will fear. Tama,
Kenya,
Bacode,
Yakupanas.
Yeah, my age and I want better luck next time.
Amen. Amen.
A registrar, Dr. Philip Yabam, Okokumu,
if I try.
Not fast no power by Sunday as
yes. Na enyaza na mu anyone necessary at the last minute. But bibiani a yafa asida ema twede amponya kofo. Na o ko bebe na sa wo hwase a, wo hwe bebe a wo hwase no. Hwe nientina wo hwase no. Na next time no. Na wa correct ni obi na oko weni.
Okay. Right after the elections on Saturday, when the information said, I checked the Amadema delegation. Maya said it. Information said, lawyer, no, Jenny dear. Now I'm calling you so, Jenny dear. Most more than the other.
Anyway, we didn't even have anything to give in the first place.
Okay.
Your mother delegation is she.
Mamma,
your mom was she. Oh. No, you see, now you will believe said you were dumb. What am I saying? Barring any other thing, a course no. Nka young fast car and twin China. Na near Obe Winnie Pa, not Fiber Winnie. Can you imagine, say, Obia not it was a common knowledge, say, Obia himself now, Dr. Banoniska. It was a common knowledge, not Obikra or Mukura. A bureaucrat Eddie, the channel, and the Poise Oniska.
He has money.
But the point is that
being
coming from America
for Hefra,
yes,
and then having a personal hospital,
having
America,
yes,
no one can say a medical doctor,
yes,
being in America for so many years,
yes,
because we need to
maybe he's stingy. I said they were saying that,
okay,
and I don't know the way our politics is different. What am I saying? We who were around him and we, those who understand the local politics, okay, had given him our advice. Okay. And he has also been around a lot of elections. So he said, no, look, from where I'm coming from, I believe that this message that we have will resonate with the people. Let's go with that.
Okay. But the delegates did not look at the message.
They did not look at the message.
I don't even think
I believe the one who won had a better message. I don't want to say that there was anything like that. Okay. So that's what I want to believe. Okay. And so next time we just have to do our homework well and carry a better message.
Sure. Quite also the annoying surprise.
Very, very surprised.
Oh, sir.
Though the one who won, I was on Kingdom FM
some time ago,
just about 2-3 weeks ago. and then as a political analyst, I didn't see him coming.
Okay.
Yes.
Dr. Kingsley,
I didn't see him coming.
But yeah, I teach you now you teach you from one name so one be you.
Sometimes you see more multi in China. Na near multi, you know. I said, Doctor Day, look, it was obvious doctor was going to be.
But I wouldn't pay.
It is not about paying. It's not about paying. We did not believe in paying.
Okay.
We believe in delivering a message to the delegate, and we did that.
So, we are surprised that I said, Kingsley, you community.
A bit. But I have congratulated him already.
George, Mayor, no interest. The whole process, of course, so at least, especially areas, as I say, Kumasi, no interest in said very peaceful. After elections, no, or okay.
Sir Mike, Mecca said, not mayor interest because of a major stakeholder. It was our election, and as a prime minister, said mayor or a party penny or region, when the vice chairman or region, when the deputy minister or region, and after so, and there I can say, wait, chief executive of KME. We share mentioning out why you want to Asante Mantemwa. A share same Kitom Ifi district. Now, I can say no Abbey Municipal Assembly. Then I can say Pano Abbey Metropolitan Assembly. Asante region, the only metropolitan assembly where you KME. The Akan either municipal assemblies or district assemblies. It is all will be on that metro Nanoa. Let us say the way or party. A be also by virtue of the position or non security sharing. It is not Masubi in hand say we provide security, adequate security. Said the Baya Yenya or how Bia said Bia will be a cofa ballot box and now in Temewasibia Koba police station be than Tokwebia Koba. It's the end there as KMB any chief executive by any name. Now your interest ever compare. The only interest I understand is say asumdue mapa ebe ye adwuma e o primary school na nyame ye adom ma otie ye paibo ne ma edigu akwa nyina no eye ekoyie mai e ma yiwie ye no na aya asumdue enti meka say ye na si ye ni so no ye saka e no apani ade ade si ye ni so
but no obi kan one radio station be so mention of former you know we frame mayor. And then on phone, may you see a really number your educated. That's a number your person to call the Suman Kwana.
Sir Mike, I have it there. So we went with a crack about having. But it was this Untimuniama and Cassette Cashin. Honorable Collins also Amankwa, we will be at a barman the same one, but you were drew no, you do. A vampire said that to be a Miss Drew. And the Mayfanin and your form that. There was also kind who said, "Baby, honorable as SBN, so I drew among the same room. Also, knew her. And the best friend say, I won't fast any deal of money, say, near offer, and I didn't pay. So, Mike, the woman and say, but they can't come with you, so let me seem to be a view. I have seen the pin to me, silly. Say, honorable as SBN. 4 constituencies are not election, but also none of them that as far as we knew. Yes, to be constituency. Ishayasu constituency, Bantima and a mention of. Not the interest about interest, then they say, we provide the security. And you know what you want to hear. Yeah, share you must have much better on 95. And I hear call around with various voting centers. Yes, I do any able to make kind. Said the bear, young kind or police, young do police station be while counting is going on. No. Now, it's never work was straight, and our Kupuna will be able to go to yeah, but can you have to do Bantaman? A while was George, who made in Iron KME. Now, results in the various centers. It's here, General Police Center, be as a will be results because we need interest. Be out. It's here, when they get to opposite for say, a half crown, Bamboni here. It's equally say, declare spontaneous reaction will be a way we knew, we should have cost running at the end, and I was said. Bambo for it's a exchange how many back here and a result in the start is ever. May of phone, men and Grammy.
Okay.
Cause I buy in a men and receive calls. May I receive call via say or the result me na major result ni na ti meje am abona mane say I say nesi any over here and Sunday who's an apprentice and they pick up a big rema or more bad pay say shares or more candidate. As far as I know, chief executive okay me. No interest be was our election and there possible. Rather than say we provide security. And at the moment many who say security.
But ni na so ko kama.
Enti baby I say near bamboo me If you say a boom free say you say how because any BNI 4 year Juma ma the recommendations by chair hospital and what the various constituencies. It's not usually in the area. Enti my share Juma say we see we have cover 5 minutes to 1 in the free culture center. Because I want to know about my coalition center. And they say at the back here my budget result. There was no point that chief executive legislative over the
results now but no a surprise will be more.
Oh, make me say no a surprise. It will be.
Yeah, a surprise.
Make me say no a surprise when they see which I so. If you say on you, so share honorable Kennedy can come on. Why your party Juma from the lowest level of police station we do region as regional organizer and Sana or resigning your core contester. Obey MP which I so. It's no you'll be any mood. Now why party Juma so change no. When you to cry and walk about to na me at the know you say there's a baby bed in pa na a home and a bed thing. Enti security ni no. And I say wow. We there sika here the same. Because Kennedy dey na me say on you be all resa. But the akanya na dey make me say na onye too surprised.
All right. Right, so ACNP on Kumawu TV. For you, Chadra Nyamre and Kinkai Enfa MR 0543596070. So we are live on Facebook, Kumawu TV, and on YouTube, Samdakus TV. I said that Enko Enfa Mohis Herbal Center, Dr. Mohammed Isa Abebu, a knee, stroke, hepatitis, and I say I want why again. Utimama so Domia and about Wayaresa, a few Mohis Herbal Center. Also, and a God's Way caskets. We should be a few moon and I'll put one car in the war form. Now, yes, I'm about some other age, you know. It's who be anyone. Massive as a live around about the home and a God's Way casket shop no. Yes, so here go. My main call a 2 hour. From Saturday, we just by Omolusi, ABC, and then quite a so. The SC meeting.
Well, mention was a good na yenda Kumawu TV at the 4 as say a review of which you bring in the and chapati before almost a few and chat will be what you bring in the Chamu Council. Now, many million kakra. So, Becca said, Master Mary, our party penny Musa and say a core primary school a year MPP one will be interest. Ubetimi aka say enam ne gina biantino wa nyi nani man ko support obia that I will agree with you, but certainly the man has an interest. He has friends in the party, he has brothers and sisters in the party. Or when people on your my party now GD say every constituency what the papa trying to say dada hane ha why now shall with my boy with my list throughout the 47 constituencies enunti so aka so ni interest me no nya o interest. But you can only say, hey, Bia, one could you anyone will you be against and ask what me and yet Bia. There's an allegation, say, will be fair or not, then he. What cry pass over and receive who course? Did I want to know when he had it? Okay. Oh, say, I want to know when he also called enough for the ground put up, maybe put up. And no, be so afraid, our cast calling the loose. The person who received who called was happy. And then he also want to know when he.
A higher CBP. It's a man allegation. Okay, alleged, yeah. No proof it.
But no, I said alleged because no. I said alleged because the person who is saying said Mayor Eniji, you know, I was not there. I don't make him. But who what not be so as see I said, who will receive you call? And because he said, who now receive you call, then you were happy. Okay, then let's find out from him. Oh, what receive call and free mention of bar, you know. Mobility of phone also.
Mechanic as you piece and then correct. If it's a mention of mayor on sponsor candidate ho mention of mayor say be previous say me na make contest there na so obi ogi to mayor aye duma pen as be there ye bi sasa kwesi kunadu honorable they say honorable kwesi kunadu a obe say be chaka be na da oni chief executive dem ma any
chaka dey be remu a e go kwetire bi
oh me dey betimi aka say
okay
na we interest dia ho
okay that's
eti ya dey na me dey efrafra eye ekwe afi ye wan sem na so MPP premise na course na minia na the food was not fair for certain people na na me find ma ko what ase omo be premise no mo ka che say omo the criteria bi agu form na se mai criteria no ne say ni ba bi wo ba party to say se e bo omo ho ba on parliament enu tie mo bi an contest o ye wa ha ye nyina ye nim say obi ti say area chairman za bon su ya me an contest no oko atuma wa be just out me kon to 20 ya ye mp a wonye hwe ya won mo no ho modern a wonye hwe so omo protect na great so on say mo bi an contest no and a host of other constituencies but you to ba na wie na me hwe e chiri nsema ba na hu say criteria ben ma busa question we say me nya pipi ni be wetu yi ma no me nim say ne alaji be yi ma no a criteria ben omo di select omo aye so omo ko ono vote because globally se o se wo hwa ade me ma party bi aka se wo bo obi hu ban a ebi e se bi a one ko no so ni impact our parliament impact ni say the knowledge on the back and in this case the area of specialization ebi o a medical doctor ebi o a civil engineer ebi o a saying into say your pass there ye road kura na say bi we need a civil engineer so the party will need him ebi o a chair parliament ko be 2-3 times or that or a board chairman for committees be near that who's experience na one the party cannot lose him. These are the same nyama kapa chairman sabonso. So you make here tell who say oh okay somehow it makes sense because you want to protect the party interest. But criteria ben ana etimima mentia event say Kwabiri East. Mama say wa qualify say e man ko on post. Na owuso do mi
maybe sana
Kwabiri East. Mama say wa
Francisca
Nkanza
maybe she kaza bodu
Francisca Mamponte
Kwabiri East Francisca
Mama say wa enjo ba no kana
Francisca
yes na make say Kwabiri East je be na mama Mama say wa qualify say protect no na ejo so owuzo edo mo deputy minister for roads. He is the only MPP civil engineer in parliament today. What about this is the 10th term of what vast experience and to the criteria now on the select and then and will be to say who's doing more so one qualified now I say qualified. What was the criteria used? Because initially no you already I've been this issue on so many platforms. Now meaning say they want to protect women. I tell them who said party for now private car there was one program to some friend on regional organizer or car said party nika be bia see a bomb and it is good for home. The woman was contested. Yes, and I just for 4 people was contested.
Gabbing
also was contested. And yet say or your party na party no but there are other factors. And some of the other factors basically will be any and a catch on the speciality independent on board the experience of gather over the years. Any other day, the importance of the party in parliament. So criteria paying. And the team will be designed great at man will be just out. The team qualified to see a protest to go on the post, but the team qualified also do me a year and just Marcus Bay what criteria paying. And the team people paying for who said he doesn't deserve to be protected. But look at certain people who protect him. So I think that sitting back, they were not fair to some people. Okay. As a certain fashion is at play. And me criteria no my research no who criteria here Akufo-Addo Alan criteria. That is the only criteria. That is the only criteria a betuma yi owuzo do no afrim. So on qualified party born home our parliament. Alan ada utu pro ma unim. Na etinya pass ma me se wa wo ye Kwabiri East. This is the only criteria either than that no. Omo explanation omo de buy nyina any reasons omo de buy say omo de bo and omo for home ban. Owuzo do me qualify.
Okay, what do you see no results e buy no. Oh, you're surprised about it.
Now, you're music no more, no more, go to you. I don't want it. I find this new job in South. Okay, $1,000. On part of 1% can on press a your money to tax. Near here, you can't buy money on $1,000. That is kind of money in dollars. what's the same? Almost 6,000 per delegate. And look at me, Pana Mutuescan. On quite the same America for Cobra, 77. But look at some of the young guys. I know money and radio, Master said, I knew more life. I'm not reading them, but we know them. Unity will be enemy. So if tomorrow and this is about power, near say to your contest election, we'll charge 5,000 per delegate. Say, man, put your hand because we make our sense if you're about 3 months. We have 5,000. I am struggling to raise the 5,000. Oh, yes. Sure. And this is public. So if just I will come to power 3.5 years, many appointments to be a spokesperson for ministry. Now, it might be number 3,000 for 300 delegates. Just can be nothing. And ask yourself, say, why now what master will feel here doing this? I will pay you 50 million. I will say, right. Obviously, I am okay, and I have one on the demo, so I'm coming to Alan Cove for him. And that is a very serious identity. I know there's a clear agenda by the Kufado administration to kill the Buzia fashion and walk a year MPP. MPP a trade tradition, now Buzia and Noble tradition. Now, Noble for has been divided. If you would down for the Buzia for it. But there's a deliberate attack by the Kufado administration to ensure that Obesa Kelly Buzia for forever, but they also appear on paper. So it's a portion and warning to them. Okay. Say, Omuma money and that whole because a time will come out. Their fashion and woman that has a Buzia fashion will be just appearing on paper.
Right. I was also going to our recipe on Kumaut TV. You come on, come on. I don't know idea because of this Jimmy. There has been a lot of people on my corner who I said, John Kuma is a very fine gentleman, but for Uso them to lose these elections there. Ever had Ghana's parliament for
said, who say any topics no na we income.
Get away, said Prime Minister.
And then normally I don't want to go to programs and divert the attentions and then discuss what I am interested. Okay. A book and a host named here. What am I saying? Okay. You don't come and dictate and enter the field now. I will dead. So we run no way. We send any topics now come. But you see, he has gone on some other stations and said what he said, and it's creating problems for him. He doesn't know. I didn't want him to say it here because I wanted us to finish and then I advise him as a younger brother. He has mentioned something. You see, in party communication, when you want to do communication and do damage, you do it in such a way that you don't mention people's name to create problems for yourself because you are liable to be sued. Do you understand? See, you see, somebody was not happy with he continued to mention the person. Have you seen this video? That thing. Yeah. You understand? That thing. You see the communication that is going on. You see, you could say, like what the way he finished his submission. You could say that in your own opinion, it looks like this or it looks like that. But you don't mention people's names and say that you are sure, you know it for a fact that this person is supporting that person or that person is supporting that person. Do you understand? Most especially when the person is in power, when the person's party is in power, and the person expects some kind of, let's say, if even appointment, sometime in his life, in his political life, and you go about saying all these things, it creates problems. The person that you've kept mentioning his name is not happy. I shouldn't have advised you in public, but you came to the public, and I need to advise you. The person you kept mentioning his name.
Who is that person?
Who is that?
I'm confused.
Who's that?
He mentioned somebody's name. You want me to mention it on public and give credence to what he said?
No. Hold on.
Maybe you didn't understand what I said.
No. He specifically mentioned somebody's name and said the person is Alance. And that person is the one who sent me this video even before we came here.
Who is that person?
When I saw your, what do you call it? The flyer itself. Okay. I realized that he was coming. Okay. So I made up my mind to come and advise you.
Let's go.
The person doesn't like that.
It's who?
So you have to at least design your communication in such a way that you don't spread on people's toes. Do you understand? So let's move on. You see, the topics that we were supposed to discuss.
Yes,
you ask a question.
I'm coming, right.
You ask a question. And I need to give you the answer to the question.
Emma Ohisaba Center and our Boswe Caskets. It was so here, didn't come out. Why didn't you Fabra, what's a number? To me at the right. I feel you move on COVID-19 stigmatization. KMA, Musi, yes, I'm not one of a channel. Musi, maybe I say, I'm not President Crown, in making comment about stigmatization. I'm happy, sir, Chairman, say, have test on as well. Yariana says, why was that? Because you asked before, and they will tell you, it will be on your view. You have money stigmatize or mono. And then my remark would do a more friend of the school, Marco Ransa, and I could say.
Sir Mike, they bet me and they say a break COVID-19 year thereby. Now, I'm better now if you is so kind. Now, maybe I could be American. Over Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, Honorable Osses Benchi, a chief executive. But they seen and this say COVID-19, that should be a bit chum. Now, I say chum. Nasa ye kanabako semwa. I will say it means a full chapter that dedicated to KMA's response. Okay. It's an amount ben a KMA 2 year bra COVID-19 by. And no name this one. It's a breviano. Say na ko ekete so a. Na ye so daya. Yes rera this also ye daya. A fire dey hu ne kwan e bitimi afa so. Na ye chapter na ye pese. Ye timi trail COVID-19 abako say mu adache be trail no enye de obi na leader na enkoye te say de o say akola o ujina chance so a be dia penalty akonya so obu ko kana akola ujina chance so kra obu ko du ho enti ye ya dwen say ntokwa ne ya fa no World Cup enti no time bia ye ne ye public health emergency committee no ye timi ekọ hye bi na ya fa ho adwen hwe say e den ne betimi asi in the coming days. So Mike, so Kaya Central Region, very few could be. Baby, almost yes, almost school down. Just have a nice school for no fee. Now the isolation center. One is a member of watching Kunti Man and second say, Nadia on Beppina my isolation center. And not sure say, the Nippona O to an amount to some need the oil is sharp. Into whom he has said, your church, no. If you but if you see a show be more good channel than your group. They who yet in our central region, you who said that she be a liberty near sea or Santimem. Then when you force got to be about the session. Can you grant any sense with him when Nadia, who says soon and hand would be any? And yet, no, and I ye 2 and a month said the Bayer. A year they are all share, said the cases in the aircraft. We greater aircraft you are, Shanty region, and
but there's no any
say. It tells you say, Yarena Yamba, a year there, if you be there, really be. A year there, a bear isolating for. It's here there, being isolation centers. It drew a bad day, and I see Central Region, the BC or Shanty region. And none of my 2 and a more say, but yes, I do. If you said, Yarena to say HIV bar for fraud. Say, Obite, say, Obi, or the bronze when you be. Yes, I near the shady part. The benefiting ya banana na for the set sense so utira ne na kwotena kroketu abi mu dia a hwe aduane grant me permission wonu eti nipa bebre wi a na HIV aye o mu wi a enye ya de ne ku won ho adwendwene ena ekodum pepenso bi a wontimi nka na sem kran chire obi se ma nipa bebre a hwe mo ho akonfo o Ghana ha ni wiase afana bebre a enye se wiase na afo mo ni mu wenye obi amana nchire o dan chire no bra no wa hu ni yem when you be permanent na sem ese asem say na ha mi o na wa de nche ni say e bi onya obi ma ni tie na sem e na o ma ne fatu hu bi a ankoto ne de ne fanyina enti de ye nyina na ye hwe kwan e be fa so a yare na ba ne ye betena no how do we integrate omo mari anya yare ni ya o mari recover back into the society?
Do we even know them?
Yes, that's a question now. Make me a catcher say CID ya sha say hu o say yare no eba no na kakra enti nipa baako yeso nya bi wa ha nipa mienu yeso nya bi wa ha ne numbers ni sha but they say a community spread no aba no ama yɛtumi within our various communities.
And I tear sense of
The same so no yate ase the ubona conform ama nipa na no voluntarily yɛtumi kɔ sɛ manya symptoms we nti no a doctor for mo hwɛ me saa ntete no ɛkɔ so ana sɛ nhwehwɛmu no ɛkɔ so wo hɔ a wobɛte yɛ sɛ care mechi executive wama traders a ɛwɔ your friend is saying PZ ɛkɔyɛ mandatory testing enti sɛ hɔ no ebi pie ya ke bi hu saa nipa no nanu ya yɛnti so for group presiding member the brother adi nua ketewa ɔyɛ medical doctor
chairman dan for pa
you hwɛ kwan yɛ fa so doctor akɔyɛ di na ɔtwerɛ adeɛ kyerɛ a na onua panyin me ka sɛ bi bɛwie dabe methodist saa bɛn na agenda aba dabe president ɔno so bɛkyerɛ adeɛ ɔ meso na me school goalkeeper nti yɛn na yɛtumi hyɛ agenda team no because ɔba dabe na obi ntumi hyɛ yɛn na yɛtumi hyɛ nti ɔbɛfa madam for eti mi wie school nyina mi hu ni se ma hu mi brother pen ma hu mi teacher ene didi mo a mi di assembly member ono so di assembly member obey presiding member mi so na personal assistant ma care me chief executive me ni nyina wa manyoko ba ku oye constituency secretary me so me pre constituency secretary ti e ko ye se me ne ye ni so ade hu na ya ko ye wo interest bi common interest enti na o ye madam for na me yonko ye share party di me di mi ade enti den no de ba ya a just a friend na the community na akasa no a drew kanene na obi a watu kwan a waba enti bi kra onye obusuani onye bibusuani enti ya isolate ne kra ye hu ene wo konse bi asante dwa be na afidi ase a nipa etu kwan ba ya konu matu o manisi o so monitor o ni ade o nyina na ho a ebi anye o mo ese society na je o matuma o ni o mutu anamo na ye mpese bedroom pempen so a nipa dodo na nya bi no metimi account for a fact that former assembly member bi o hear me ono so nya bi a recover last week of I o se jumadi a ye di no o pese ono so tu no husi ho na nka me be na o ka me ho na ono so akire de o fa mu ene se de ade ne tie a se se no o wa hoden ti se de wa hoden a meti ha de me ye bia ono so betimi aye bi aden na obi anya bi na ye ho se sese me ho kra fine ya jatu se ye se ye ensure physical distancing but I don't just who obi a wanya bia kan free ne chen e basa se me start say me show symptoms na me nda na di nkyerɛ wo se mai if se me say wo hu se me obi a me dwane free me chen eno ene ma community spread na eba if se me mai ne say o me say dem na me ne mere ne me ma bubu na aye mere tin shop no obi abeto ade na wasese ska no de ama
no mo started campaign against stigmatization
stigma campaign
right is a campaign na kosi say
ye borderu ye t-shirt ye chest stickers
and ye nya bi
na me ya da be bia me de mo de be ye chest stickers ni ade na kwa go be she de eno ni asem no
COVID-19
t-shirt bi na COVID-19 ba ye COVID-19 ba ye ana mo de be mo so mo run parallel yi na ye na ma ko ti committee o ti na ase hu de committee ni so enti o se bi bisa mi no ya se bisa
o se ya bi colors na se COVID-19 t-shirt dia
so we say
right yeah no no so of course na mo what the faces akosi say na we memra chama
on say na no ye ba ha me catch we say yare we no aye se buchi a na kanifo na si a biane ni si so a ye hwe say biane ne ba bi no na yare ne tu ase buchi a de di kan e say information I dey kwa abontin should be clear o say ye di buta ho de to so bi enu no e o say etimi ehihye mu kena ana say the friend incremental so and the toss be require adaptive, clear, adaptive, and incremental. Clear, they say, no bonnie and cassa, a trim, there. Kachama by no kind of chrome cassa, no, they are trim, no beer or any chrome near so active or cassa. Let us say, good down fine and only clear. Adaptive, you know, so they said, protocols are 24-day work. You bet to me a diesel. If you say, name kind of and as I say, ever done here, won't say, any protocols, then the penalty. And no, any adaptive stage. Any incremental stage na say over KM anti stigma campaign ye dear do say ye border rule no ama akwachire ye tre yakwaba mu eno ene na no ye menhia ete eduma ye die na ono so ye say ne ono ye beto abasako mu o ba ne ono nko na ba ye se menhia ono nko na nte eti one Mastercard Foundation ene ba ye asisi omo so ebe kan bo mu a omo ni KM ebe bo na ye ndewu ba ye bo anti stigma and na face ye hwe say protocol say ye be wo hwe nsa brano ye be share nose mask ye be use sanitizers and this an emani nyina ye be di so no enforcement na ya duru no ya me adom adwo da e be menhia a ye 24 charity foundation and massacre foundation abeka care me ho a ye ne omo betu sa na ba ti de kire me say se when ni hye no so sa bre say ye increase ne ma ye ye do incremental stage se when ni so a what eti amenhia ni na ye wa santima mi so ye dim se what eti amenhia ni ma asotwe wo ho anana no betwo ansa na agban mra wa buso so no ya twe aso ti e bre no emo aye wo mu no emo eden
but just in a minute no school for no reason we say macarons mo ko ye the same
na no doada ye sha probase be se anopa nundu sabre ye sha se fi opoku ari school ye du ho no na ye pese ye kohwe ahobo a school mpanifo aye se omode twen school for nkola eba na udu gate na no a na endika se chief executive moto dinanim moto rider ni du ho na ejina no gate na no e check the temperature asa na ye ma na rem me ya car na dikan you rolling it down ma check the driver check the PO check the policeman check me ya na nkasa enti education director ni mpanifo ani omo na nyina media for e ka ho ye check obi ansa na ye ro popo ai you do home the far process in the you say in a nutshell protocols in an omu diso. If you want the call St. Gilbert and also a book are to us or in a Roman post school and also you could do one in Shaya no book are dear the same Shana and almost be a guacquam Yaniji. If you want to buy KSTS a hot crown there even one a full fry maybe your book are and St. Gilbert say do what na ya set it canopies a hot na chef for 24 house masters na dey tete one now buy do pa protocols in the emu be able do PPE you don't sabe share indelible ink ma try say you do PPE is amount and no ye no belt here na KSTS for introduce you free one ye call asanteman na ho ye could do e kwa adwumrem kakra na the peak hours it sabe na nipa no say be brother as a free say kra na air bar na wa bedru it na nipa na air door so the honor ye share so betimi ensure physical distancing no and no near there in fact ye bought a church from 24 and the headmasters need na baso e wo protocols are omo make sure
and then Wednesday mark just schools need be record cases be
and then ye share you dey be asem my free office in term na me nya information ya say betimi atena fi so aka say student be a over school no tested positive for the coronavirus.
Only go so I share Sinopi on Kumaut TV. I didn't tell bra na ya can kind from our WhatsApp lines na go screen or the baby nyamre na ya can kind edema. Ma men ko health expert. So Melissa,
so why
COVID-19 stigmatization matters are rising. Is it them say when you phone be like a cravia no no tell some me so people are also saying say we should expect more, especially Ghana laboratory scientist. Almost I said the name was Abane, name more testing one yet. Now, every before primary degree, they are something more. Some pastors, we say, I can sorry. I said, complaining, I said, NPP. More primary in the mood, Jim, man for Kubisa, and my man for the Frafra. But I saw them there, the about night of 19, I saw them. I'm not so far, Yaria no, and then I said, free crow. And if fear crowd for was as a million malaria crown, you got a boss because the boss was because you have COVID-19. Me too. One of my expert. About a time, Musu Musi.
Me that's it. Namuna, means KME, or a design program for the stigmatization now. George, I can answer me. Because we have a group of doctors and health professionals yes, we have videos, short videos and most especially they're not all cassette clear. No? We speak in our own dialects, then we do a short video and then we post it onto the and this one because we have realized that stigmatization is going to overwhelm the health facilities in this country. One, there are so many things that are going to go against us if we don't take time. Number one, we don't pay attention to the protocols. Social distancing is missing. The nose mask, people are not wearing. People in town, everywhere.
Okay. Politicians are also involved, right?
When I say citizens in town, it includes politicians, it includes pastors, it includes media.
But not from background. Who were that to say MPP primary school? Said
I was coming there.
Mm-hmm.
I was coming there.
Okay.
You see, when you say Yatumra, you are very wrong. Because Uba and Shishiana Yedi Tuho and Sayakoya primaries now, it was very clear.
Mm.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Now, you will nipa Nusubai any law and instruction.
Okay.
What must I say? Ubet my design law, I would never saw Bibiano. What must I say? We are Muslim law in the Christian and the so you don't make it look like Yang and Abakuchi Lepakun. MPP is not a security agency.
Mm.
It's a political party. Do you understand? So let's put that one aside. And then I was talking about the stigmatization. You see, what the stigmatization can do is that when I have it, okay, and then I see the way people are making mockery, some are jubilating, and I can cite you an example of some NDC persons that were jubilating because the health minister was tested positive.
Mm.
Oh, yes. Oh, my brother, you were, I was, you see, you see, meaning Joe, and if I can sit down and allow you to rattle all that you want to rattle, I respect Giorgio.
So
I respect
I can't say
democracy. Do you understand? But you don't interject me because you are coming from a political party that was born out of violence.
Yeah.
You see, you can be born out of violence, but you can meet your meter. So I want to advise my younger brother to take it easy.
I resisted intimidation.
You should take it easy.
I resisted intimidation.
I'm here. He's here. When he's talking, I keep quiet and then I write in my book. When it's time for me to talk, I talk. That's how communication is. So you see, the stigmatization that I'm talking about. Your health minister is not the health minister for NPP. Your health minister got the disease, and another political party persons are jubilating. These are what we are talking about stigmatization. Look, I was just in the office and then I was going through some things and then a colleague, I should say, though he's in the NDC, but he's a colleague because we have a platform that he just sent some things that he listed some secondary schools that have the students have tested positive.
Yeah,
allegedly. And he was happy. So I just didn't understand. So I asked him why. He said now before Akufo-Addo is going to come back and apologize that what the NDC was telling him not to open the schools was a good advice. So assuming what you are telling me is even true, and it is your sister that has got it in the school there, would you have jubilated? And more to the point, it could be said the person came from the house with it because they are just barely a week there. And it will take 3 days to do the testing. And so when did they take the samples? When did they send it to the testing centers? When did the results come back to the school? And then for you to suggest because they have opened the school and asked the children to go, that is why the person has gotten it. It is rather good because the children were at home untested. It was no more fear. You test on to move back school and test on one by one. The testing definitely you would either get some and I say we Sanya and child na test on you nana saw fine. Then not protocols na yet to hono. Na ya follow eno na omudias ye or omudi or adiasona na omachromo we no na oma pass out. You see? But testing us will be a positive one more. Then we isolate the person and treat. It doesn't mean say yeah open schools no intina obi enya we no. So you see, when you make it look like that, these are part of the stigma na yeka. Wow. Until the stigma, what it can do is that some say na mi obi nasa because of the stigma no me person make kasa. What do I say? And then you as an NDC person, we all sit on round table. We have friends in the NDC. We sit on round table and eat. What do I say? Because you are jubilating that I have it, I don't say anything. I don't show myself. I come and sit around table with you and infect you. So you see, this is what stigma can do. This is what the stigma can do. Because once the person begins to run away from the public because of stigma, he's going to an environment that obia and nimun wohono. Obia nimun wohono obia so nimun so obi. Into wohono obey infecting of people. But say ya guys stigmatization now. Nasa ya who say and na say in particular and this say eso. What do you mean say obinya COVID-19 no na dwoma na okoboy a onye. Largely na eso. That's the point. You see, but though about 80% of those who were infected is HIV, they got it through the way no. What am I saying? When entisa. You can just be walking. Call bed you. Unindam, call bed. Essentially, you have not protected yourself. Somebody can cough on the street and move away from where he coughed. The virus is there. So whether he has not lasted for the 3 hours and the sun is not, the weather is not hot over there, you will come and pass there and breathe in. And you don't know where the virus are, so that when you get there, you close your breath and move on. When you pass it, then you can see it with your eyes too. So these are the reasons why we should not stigmatize. Let's run away from that. Otherwise, what can happen is that if we infect just about 20% of the population of Ghana, your health facilities cannot take care of them. As we speak, we have 86 functioning ventilators in the whole country. 2 years and another, say we are now around 14,000. If out of these 14,000 and 2,000 people are in critical condition,
14 about 10,090.
That's it. And out of this, if 2,000 had to need ventilators, where are we going to pass?
Even some are even saying death too no, high or something again because you don't have enough facilities compared to Accra.
No, it's not so.
Oh, sir.
Yes. It's not so. It's not so because there's no evidence to back it.
Oh, there's no evidence?
Yes.
That in Ashanti region, our health centers are not up to the standard of that of Greater Accra?
No, it's not so.
Wow.
I know the number of facilities that we have in the Ashanti region, and I know the number of facilities that we have in the Greater Accra region, and I know their statuses. You see, the fact that when you come to the premier hospitals, like Korle-Bu, Konfanochi, and all those ones, they are ahead of each other in terms of resources. That's different. Okay, but not when it comes to some other health facilities. Right. So for that, the person doesn't have enough. He doesn't have any evidence to back that.
Brahma, we are disappointed in the Akufo-Addo, Ghana medical and laboratory scientists. On the lack of commitment to heed to professional advice.
I just spoke to the president before I entered the studio. They didn't say that.
Oh, is a release?
They said, hear me.
Okay, who did you speak to? Dr. Dennis Ajay.
Almost say, almost say, because of the way people are not taking the protocol serious, okay, it can generate to a lot of people getting infected with this virus, okay. And then they were also saying, say, the testing, the aggressive testing that we were doing, to them, we are no longer doing safe now, and that's their worry. And you see, originally we were to test, and test. We trace, test, and treat vigorously. Do you understand? And even that, it is we have not even reduced the speed at which we were going, or even the numbers. We are still doing the same. You see, but their worry is that people are not paying attention to the protocols. And they set they use the primaries, they use the just and then primaries.
Okay.
Yes, as an example. And they are right. You see, myself, I was worried about the jubilations that I saw on TV.
Okay. Only on TV.
That's what I saw.
But you didn't see it at where you had elections. The constituency where you had elections, you didn't see it there.
Let me be honest with you. I went into an election. I lost.
Mm-hmm.
And from the time the collation center, when even before the results got to the collation center, I knew I was losing.
Okay.
So I had to start the retrospection straight.
Okay.
So I went back home,
Right.
and then to take my time and start the retrospection right there.
Okay.
And so I didn't see what was happening physically.
Happening. Okay.
I later saw it on
On
TV.
TV. Alright.
Yes.
Then I mean, I see. I'm in call Patrick. Patrick, me too.
Oh,
COVID-19.
it's very, very
good.
interesting. I have one or two things
Good.
to talk about. Eddie Kine, yet is there contact traces or more Ashanti region, so I'm going to say before. There were no more tracing again. And I had given back. It was all Kaya, I really shall say, and some back na information minister.
Chairman said, Minister almost was strike. And now, strike.
No, they wanted to go on demonstration
Okay.
on some back pay that was pending, and they were cleared.
Okay.
As we speak, they are working.
They are still working.
Yes.
But they had the intention, said, and everything going into now, commercial service.
Yes.
Okay. That's all.
And she go for new kind of contact tracers in Ashanti region. Go hand down their tools. Go pass it to CCI. Contact tracers. Never end near the capital. Never Ashanti region. Never say sorry anymore. Also, what I buy you Oka. Oman can say the man threatening. They stopped it. Oman say allowance among your council do more nema. And to my judgment.
Take that the result.
And you can check. You can say it has been, but don't say Oman cause strike. And even it has been solved. We need to manage. Now, I know you one thing now, because the virus can say we are leading the virus, we are searching. I feel they do maybe no more because searching the ground to do tools. Now, I mean, people high schools now, I have issues with it. And my makers are saying, when you have a great that, send this for conducibility, say health minister and COVID-19. I mean, how? And you sit on a big platform like this, and these people were jubilating.
I wasn't there.
And that is why I'm saying it's not true. Either than that, you should prove Nipakro this and come and tell me jubilate. Why would somebody jubilate for somebody contacting COVID-19? Why? So be anything Nipakro could jubilate. And because OMPP in the South share NDC for NDC for jubilating for somebody testing positive. Now Obi ni China we are saying China Nyako Kompa we be how somebody know. So Obi nya also Mamenko. There were issues about said that hospital. Nah, you go to papa. Now where the hospital? Nothing to call to hospital. Hospital, hotel. So and now come say people were wondering why. Papa no ni fie bebrebe o ya si nyina ne resource centers e wo ga na nyina no. Opo baby adana the University of Ghana Medical Center on opo baby e die. If that is an issue, I agree with you. Yen na e can be say e no and I'm sure so on the be no say papa no hospital no choose say hospital COVID-19 patients wo and no choose so be relaxing no akwa. If that is the issue, but nobody was jubilating say upon that in any case he was serving Ghana, mother Ghana, and or a health minister or any health officials in Asia. Look at the number of health officials on COVID-19, doctors and nurses and others. Because I don't know, and no matter how people tell you, make us ask me, what health organization people are able to on website? I must say, the best preventive measure is for you to stay home. Yariano. Say, Uber to assure me, say, Yariano, so we need to be a chefie. Just get to chefie, go chefia, a baby water, when you be like I say, and 1 2 hours. And it will need to go. And nobody remember saying, so we paid there for no smart here and show him. The hand sanitizer never be pounds. But what me have to say says, I know smart and other than a preventive already spread only 3%. lockdown and preventing for 45%. Try to say the best measure so ubeshefi. And a social distancing 3%, 7%. And a nose mask here 3% because senior day sheni. Say oh you could free now now who year obey my contact area. Say we are no what they are one who by you know will be about kuhu or will be. Yeah, also nose mask in the penetrate no. So you nose mask left free no. Nami you look at one year with me, a contact, you preventing only 3%. Again, gloves are the same. So you gloves so now we are not say you are gloves are the same as so be so. And na ye going forward no abandon the jewelry now. Oja schools are be here, how na person member. Ye ni abandon kasa say, you would interest will be in school at this time. If you say what's in na culture. Ye ni other countries and the truck. Omo ni MBA school. And why are we in a rush? Because Kenya MBA, Nigeria MBA. What's the time I draw?
Yeah, special arrangement.
And looking at that special arrangement was unnecessary because why must you leave? Are we saying say our situation is better than Kenya? Is Ghana saying that our situation is better than Nigeria? So why are we taking measures? And you see, I didn't have a question. We have advantage to look at the global world. Now say Donald Trump, campaign, Tusa. Oh, how are figures in this duty? Just yesterday, over 20,000 test cases. Quite a rally now, rally estimated about 4,000, you know. Cases in as still shoot promo. So it is clear that whenever you try to release the restrictions, you know, and by any possibility near the echo and we have not reached a stage that taking those serious risks. Because in crown winning, say na ka the capacity say akwa bia oko school bia ba testing na come na ba ni problem. Okay. Ya testing we na ya negative na oko. But we don't have the capacity. Until the IN say change you. Ya man kwa ni from fifi mu nyina be share school mo. And ya so be do school mo wie bia ya mo bia mesra obiem. But as we say nipa ni fi fear ba na won mo de ba so abede. And they are coming from different parts of. Some be Owasa. Owasa be Fitamadeba. If you walk ever, if you different part of the country, no be share we are now say mo be amesra o. No be fi fear but they do on no the buy. I didn't so be behind us do on no we can assign the paper the audio. So why do you risk you only your money to start risking him? I want to try what's no for this order. What will happen? And those were the issues NDC was raising, and I'm sure say Obia OT discussion or discussion the near be say why do you say kwani be do school mo? No be do ya mo bia mesra o but omo ba dey be obi no dey ba how will you know? These are issues that we are discussing as a country and there are so many issues running on the internet and many issues seminanya evidence I don't speak to it but there are so many allegations that some of the campuses mama started tested positive including Accra Technical University obe tested positive and it's risk because in Ghana trend the crowd no one moet tested positive. You have to test on the test now. Test now. Say what test someone out of my bag. Say this is school you eventually test all of them. You are running away. Say one testing grammar because a cat. About miska. But say as first say already do rescue. Near young grabbers do and no more money beer. You have to test and pray what school money. So test now running and once I go back to zero.
I mean I say for each other near Yamre and Kinkai and Fa and my mutual home back. About us, it was a John Dramani Mahama and the NDC and the 18 promises. Abba, you very won't come. They were there and who said a teacher. Yeah, come on, this year. Right, yes, I am a half hour and from a CP on the so 18 more Yashe NPB primaries and then COVID-19 measures are KB and their work on stigmatization and a my ever the Runafi. Yeah, ma in your fast for some schools out of also Yashe say before they welcome airboy, said a baby to a Sierra no pine. A real, they be a cousin, I don't know. Some watch it as a man can say, say I can't get some NDC people. Please let us support the president to fight against the novel coronavirus and stop attacking the government. Okay, now George, for so a quick comment. George, make you know nothing. You
so I could ask briefly on Asophonidia or Mokan. As a other NPB primaries now. There more sorry for long hours now. No crowd woman and say primaries are MPPA a one-time event. Yes, I hear primaries be a deal.
By Yarena, so that's a bit me actual, just a second.
And we did Donald Trump rally, no, one day.
And I may say,
one day, rally. And
then my Digua Permuno said the chairman kind. Not a man who can say, people don't pay. But to be quite election, no, we near some spontaneous reaction in the other. It is a bar, and until now, sorry for some oh, yes, and then they might not make media focus and make me kind, says I didn't see and enjoy it. He said, yes, sir, now I am fairly dear my president. In January, crime, culture center say awesome. It's a calculation, wait, and it's an away than Yatra, not I but all go back to so they are and can we. And 3 days on and Casadia in Daddy. It's also for no Montias. If it's all counseling session or yes, it's
right, but I see. NDC promises so far 18 and I'm on the ABBA as a campaign message in Ghana for say NDC for the I shall say for this week on Monday and I submit the official say of the I say pay our customers of collapsed financial institutions whose monies are locked up in full and restore indigenous Ghanaian participation in the financial sector. Reduce the size of government by at least 40 ministers to reduce government expenditure. As ministers, deputy ministers are by the above form now, and it's all reduced by 40%. By 40 ministers. So better so even new why the end of the union so reducing by 40%, 40 why they are provide free technical and vocational education, right? TVET from second cycle to tertiary level. Wow. Well, and then institute a national apprenticeship program in line with his vision of rapid industrialization and job creation for the country. Scrap the 50% increment in the communication service tax to reduce the cost of telephone and data. Construct a regional hospital for each of the 6 newly created regions. Okay. Provide district without hospitals. Provide district without hospitals with fully equipped modern health facilities. Take health care to the doorstep of the people by building a first of its kind Uniapa hospital and deploy it to provide medical services. In addition, construct 2 new international standard infectious disease centers in 2 additional international research centers. Abolish the dreaded double track system of secondary education through an emergency and massive infrastructure drive. Establish university campuses in each of the 6 newly created regions. Well, we are 11th one. Yem fan this year. Now, yem refi. Of any wadarma, one amudiaba. 6 new universities, campuses, and university campus number, you know, and then abolish the dreaded free senior high school double track system. And then you're talking about making technical education free from secondary to tertiary. Technical education from secondary to tertiary to be free, and then well, you said
say I you two against one one time no more. So we am come we are.
Time no be aso
We are 5-5.
But I make care me to buy.
Masa. Part 4. Now, my chance in few baby now more from Chelsea. Say you be talk baby a party be at the news or the number 2. About no me mo
time matters.
So and nunti at the crowd party no NDC dey ba na matters. But until some manifesto ni be ba no. The chance say I dey friend pre-manifesto promises. You need party move for no. Yeah, the answer may be the kind of top any kind of watch. As I got a manifesto that can have because a very edible. And so, President Mama can never put them in the power. So we come you can imagine and be and come you grab, but I'm sure I send it mine within 2 minutes. If the National Apprenticeship Program, National Apprenticeship Program, anything. On the Canada said, okay, say under the next NDC government by Pata. January 2021, the one about year, about implemented technical and vocational education. You be free from from SSS to university. In 2 years of vocational and technical school, a free junior high school, senior high school goes to university free. Oko SSS free, Oko university free, tertiary free.
Is it feasible?
Also, is it feasible?
Yes.
Do you know the numbers of vocational?
I'm asking.
Yeah, it's feasible. It's feasible. The numbers of vocational students across the country. It's not even up to 3,000.
Do you have infrastructures?
What infrastructure do you need?
Oh.
Already the technical universities are offering the courses. And me come to school no. Mechanical engineering, mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering no we have 5. The whole Mass Technical University 5. And I'm more batch. I use school 2045. And we on do but say any free a be attracting people down when they answer no you we no put on no. Nti no dey edi kan ka no book da ho. Unse vocational school omusua maths sua science ni ade nti no achi no ene the National Apprenticeship Program na ba eno de be ni obi opeso sua adwuma bia on podo so obesua adwuma age na ho so adi 40 years so adi 50 years you just register onto the program now the aba be ni say you be recruit masters to say bia mason masters for carpenter masters for now by no work for contract na ni ba na you recruit ni acha mo say okwa atare abesha aban ne befa utu za ade bekwa aban ne befa na de wo kura ne say enam say oyi waduma bi ne amwo ja se besua adwuma anase enim se nipa dodo na oho mo bepa se nkom besua adwuma but omu ni botom ska omu de be yenti no usumi bia besa ma kakra for TNT. Why are we doing that? Unim say yetuwe yetumi spend over $100,000 on one candidate man do kusua de wa bochi scholarship. Students no go bochi no musua de sie de omo be wo chewa sika aban bo omo ho. Why? Because we are investing in that sector. So in the same vein, obi ase be able say benado when timian go school no, there must be opportunity on also be to benefit into a more or less a scholarship program. Obi a person who feel maybe and age be na ho so we 10 years, so we 15 years. I'm using the figures just like that. But what we do and the 70 years cra no aba. Until you recruit omo and the omo master for na master for na chere omo adwuma no for certain period of time. Man ti bia be say nsa ka da here to go to the National Apprenticeship Program. We say to should be National Apprenticeship Program. This is for free apprenticeship. And no official the National Apprenticeship Program.
You have been say we course. No smart here say. Amansan Skill Training Institute. Mo atosu. Omo na eye. Been say German Ghana government partnership funded program. Omo area, omo botri, omo ye carpenter for. What person you be no? Omo do ba ho. Na masters omo training and each day they give you 10 Ghana cedis. Why go be omo 10 Ghana? You say asas here you
if there's a private company, CSE Ghana, there's a private company based hotel. Does it mean the government cannot build a hotel?
No, they say
the issue I'm talking about a national program. You are picking one district to be in Adibi and Adia program. We are talking about idea. You bring a national headquarters and a district offices and decentralize it to all the rural communities. There will be people identified at that place. Adia will gauge how many people are part. Our program is totally different. This program was one of the program Libya, did a politics of person or but the couldn't succeeded. And now, how many people are now on it? Body. This is a program at a point in time, we are expecting at a row it will take not more than 300,000 people.
Fantastic.
And you are here talking about Liverpool 2030.
For different ones, sorry. Tracy Chess.
Now, what do you have to tell me?
I count 2 minutes.
Hey, Nancy, we are not at the time of 5 minutes. Now, you can say, teacher for or training for. You did not chess exams. I was saying, Mukuma, banning yes, can try or salary. Why should I saw Muko exams? Some true, we are no failing movie. No, no, wait to first salary now form. Last year, 7,000 failure opportunity. No one must see a bar and just exams or barbecue. I never a part of their curriculum, who will school no good analysis. Unco school me, and now teaching practice with the end, you know, I said I'm being neutral, you are one job, teacher. Again, national service, Abana training teachers, council who use school, I didn't think that of national service 1 year. No, before I'm going to go to 1,500, 1,006, also going to national service, not to 550. And this is here by the automatic postings, you know. As I they bread, yet teacher for no real training college in a near Kutum, national service, go to national service. Again, you can't double track once a month. I didn't just say. Double track is existing because a 90% existing. In 2017, get found, Sika, and I had the book, Sukumu to 1.7 billion Ghana cedis, and never thought get found. Government, not big government, I can pay 900 million out of that. And the consolidated fund. And this just listen to my argument very well. The very fund now, the Muslim and this squad and the expanding infrastructure. You are capping a whooping 900 million out of 1.7 and if you want to go consolidated fund and the way the other way. Who we are not because the school then will ground double track system. So then this is it's just a matter of tell the when you have the person who see school time. Already school time and if blocks so now be 70%, 80%. The second is and carry on granting. This I say the abolish double tracker. We are abolishing double track because the e-blocks the are saying as soon as possible, maximum 3, 4, 5 months. Giddy far because any see in so ọmọ ní tún pàtó tí na school náà yẹ ṣe bí kò àyà wíyà pẹ̀ntì ẹ̀wìẹ̀ àwọn fáwọn kò nyẹ́ gbógun bẹ̀kẹ̀ máa ń kúrò àkọ́ tẹ̀lé adáre máa ń sọ ti yẹ dibẹ̀ wúro sáà schools ní nyinaa mà náà bá nkura ẹ̀yẹ ọmọ wẹ́ẹ́ mú kọ́ àwìyà wẹ́ẹ́ mú kọ́ ànàjò wẹ́ẹ́ mú kọ́ àwọ̀màkyi nyinaa no ètò go. Okay,
meda se mẹ́sàn bá họ Sabai, please ask the NDC man for me in case by September the government of the day is able to do away with the double track system, what will be their message again? Nana ya kasi, okay. Nana ya there no. Right.
So right.
Yes, NDC promises.
In fact, and then the person me addressing Ghana for. What am I saying? Me study. I say, supporter kwase obama.
Ntuma.
Udie TND. John Mama say, over 18 promises are about here.
We are first one.
Me say,
we are first one.
Me say first one now on the buy 18 new. 16 have been done. Mami Chiro.
Okay.
Number 1. Or see, he will pay all the customers of the collapse banks.
Yeah.
They have been paid.
But not all of them have received their money. Not all of them.
But it's a process. Samai, it's a process.
Okay.
It's a process. I have actually listened to their the spokesperson yesterday on GH1 who said they are going to pay them half and use the other half into investment for them. Wait a minute. That's what he was saying. Okay? And that they don't need they don't need any other bonds. They need their cash. But he actually confirmed that they are paying them half. Do you understand? And he said, example, that he invested 120,000. He has received 70,000, and they told him the remaining they're going to use it as bonds for him. He doesn't want it, he wants his cash. So this is being done. So Oni and Samuka. They say, Omochi Ghana Nina say I want ideas, idea manifesto. Ghana for akukudam emo information omo afanye ho even to organize a proper manifesto omo failure photo akọ sisa nyoma yerani already at their back. Number 2.
Okay.
Number 2. Omo see that's the number 3. Omo see they will provide free education from secondary to tertiary. It's been done.
Tibet.
You see?
Education.
Tibet.
Are you saying secondary schools now we are technical? They are not free?
No, you don't understand. No,
Are you?
no vocational
Oh my brother, why are you like this?
No,
So you don't have the metal and you want to be a communicator for the past?
From technical.
When he finishes ranting, I will talk.
Vocational school. Hey, free Ghana on a big platform like this.
Technical and vocational.
Hey, free Ghana.
I know of my technical. Kumasi KTI. I know some more than they free. I'm yet to confirm for the vocational. Almost somebody are from secondary to tertiary.
And I said every senior secondary, every senior secondary school is free.
Okay.
So what I do?
Vocational money.
You say you're going to do it from secondary to tertiary.
Yeah.
Secondary is already free.
Okay.
If they had gone to say that they want to make tertiary free, fair enough.
Okay.
We could just say it's a cut and paste, and then change the wedding.
Okay.
In 2016, John Mahama said free SSS is a hoax. 2016, he said it. Today, not free senior secondary. He said he wants to make secondary to tertiary free. That one is not hoax. We will leave him. Now we move on. India number 4. They said they will institute national apprenticeship program. It is being done. It is being done. When I said it, he said the 1 year crowd. No problem. Grant the same. It is being done. It's been done. Until they don't have any message. That is why Spiogara said NDC has no message into 2022, and that with President John Mahama as the candidate, they are going to lose massively. He said that. Now let's move on. Number 6 in their list. They said they are going to construct regional hospital. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Ufahi Asaubaha.
Oh, by the time it's over
hospital.
No. You see, the time I mean, we are not already the same. Oh no. The time is the
right.
time.
Hi, I'm watching you live. Train 11 people.
No.
I trained 11 people, but they refused to pay. Please. I trained 11 people, but they refused to pay me in 2016. I'm Felix. Wasa Manso, yes, at the every Abba. Good evening, Sir Mike. In fact, great show this evening. Please tell the NDC to stop making these promises. Wow, they can't do. Habwai, Mahama. Habwai. Okay. Masaudu Bantam, 5 months to the elections, and all what the NDC can do is singing propaganda songs. NDC, what's your alternative for Ghanaians? NDC and COVID-19 are both deadly. Let's stay away from them. Regards to Honorable Nana Kwame Asamoah Boateng Jacobu DCE. We say, I'm watching you live. Okay. I'm watching you live. Please tell the KMB boys that now, dear, COVID-19 na Johnson. Okay. Nkrumah that sounds really okay. Aba no. Nkrumah give reasons. DJ Omali NYC Goso say competent Nanado came at the right time to save us from COVID-19, because if Mahama and NDC were in government, all of us would have been dead by now, excluding me. And new register is coming like a kite. Okay. I say a Mr. Costa or Chiao. Emilia Aswansi also right. I don't know what the EC seek to do with this compilation of new voter register. And again, NPP promises has not been fulfilled. We will fulfill our promises. Greetings to all social democrats. Okay, Chairman, we are
coming from NCA.
Good.
Share Ghana Fue NDC promises number 13 is an insult to Ghanaians. It's mockery and an insult to Ghanaians.
13.
Number 13.
Number 13. Let me check.
Yes.
Restore the automatic employment of nursing.
It's an insult.
Graduates.
And a mockery. It's a mockery to him, the leader of the NDC, John Mahama, and it's an insult to Ghanaians. In September, on September 9th, 2016, John Mahama said he will not pay the nurses' allowances, even if you look. And a medical economy, or your quarter, and he's promising sale of MSC. And you are the objective. You did it quarter. What am I saying? Right. Now, number 14. Yeah, number 14. It's a disaster. Read it. Read it. Let me kill NDC. Read it. Read it. Number 14. It's a disaster. So I wouldn't be Bianca. Tell Ghanaians and share President Akufo-Addo. Right. Now on fire, what do?
That's it.
Now,
Bossway casket. And they are what is even the free moon happy for that car? A correct one, Padiamano. There is so many a fantasy BC panel. Now, why the year scambling with Mabisia? Video coverage, ambulance had never to move a police and we see here. You know, is in now. Who is a permit me and come at the amount. Bossway was more than a friend. I was 0243 737 457 0243 737 457. Fantino Town, Kumasia, as a folk, liberal about to wire and a boss we. I was wanting not to suffer nothing, now, if not a car, it's a fatal. If every manifest edition. George, meet you. Yes.
And then, Majimini Kwame.
Okay.
Now, who's all your for? If you say manifesto, Beba. Now, say, Moody kind team which na promises 18. While to meet General because he should to 17 down, say back open. And I will do this a movie to me, yeah, because I'm there. Incompetence.
Okay.
Oh, what's 18 in now?
I'm making it.
The officer, a year cry, and a year papa.
In this one, but I can't say all the 18 or
okay, but it depends.
Oh, but no, when you are quoting, you see, let's have a when you are quoting, you can't say what you want to say. I said I have picked this one because I have interest in it.
Thank you. That's one.
Why you don't know what interest in
when you quote me, no. When you are
quoting, Dada. For so bad, Fanta, unlock your bank. Ubeti Obiesika. Catcher mom said, Dada.
No.
And then I tell my catcher said, Yet, or you must be a converting into bond. Bond and a financial instrument. When I cut us a bond in Isica. And I'll let another catcher said, and you'll be an ear and a process. And Jomo Guso Mutia, wouldn't say depending on her. Almost validation near the Navy. A pub said, not almost banks and the kind create cheers can be a moment. Maybe the mobile way investment or bank to be a investment body. Almost friend of mine 15,000, meaning million a quarter check. Or got Philippines, I got trade 250,000, says the car or bank and then the car. If you sell 15 and 250,000 amount, I brought 15,000. It's only a due diligence because the taxpayers' money and the years are married. It's a catcher money that's hard. Dada. If you also on the size of ministers, catcher money is Dada. Dada in the sense that what share number now and what was this year now? One shall watch the ministers need also. But you can also find out how many of these ministers are members of parliament. And I said, yes, don't run our parliament, Dada Intino. Yet, Dada. A ticket to every other two of my national. And you almost said, Tika Yetiano, a Dawson, you will see a taxpayers' money, or Reginald or your MP, or one way or one Canada, or whether. And Tisika create near the difference between MP salary and the minister salary, and only a top up man. It's a crime, yes, I did that. It's me.
After Moshe, so no more Saturday, so by 40. They
can't. So, catch me say, oh, my Ghana.
from
that's all the 40 ministers and they be
and on the count so 425 na mo one we 40 free
who be the standard no what to make
and on medical can say and on the say wajuma or be yama Ghana it is an wa fire ya ti catch man say dada Tibet technical vocation eh free it catch say dada KSS
KSS technical vocational school.
Na yere law school.
Na technical idea.
Law school.
They go KTI. How the captain say KTI?
You see. Let's be fair. The panel itself is not fair. It is all people say being cancelled America.
KTI. One of KTI. Utia school fees. No. Yaya dada. Some hospitals here again. Now no one takes a presidency 88 hospitals. As they say, you go so here Juma. I say make up with hospitals. You no so catch it. Yaya dada. Double track as someone can. I'm telling you, you call rounds Monday. We go do KSTS on me buy menu. Abrosan me who be that. CSS senior high school pa. Now within the period the year no. Excel the commitment that buy we episode you double track me. Na double track me be say na won say ase o. There be can me George me ba 19 fee. Na kwa me tell Patrick the banko school ana. It have been kase any who say you bet to me maximize the use of the existing facilities. Yen deny obia access. And not a minor year. She double tracking by she said they increase enrollment. That's what I'm academy so about with man. It's just say go tracker, almost got that green tracker from Quanco.
Okay, it's go tracker. I'm also a lines, no. Maybe I want to wait me a friend 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. Oh, fra. Now, one lower the volume of your TV set. Now, what you want phone? Maybe me talk about.
Finally, also we track licensure exams. A teacher for the crest remove. Almost remove because almost some mere professionals. Maybe papa a teacher ni. Enti me ade dignity be the teaching profession. Maybe I am for it.
O say we school na wo school no one. Na obetro final exams no. Na why you na ka hopreko. Tinya sa fa no.
O so betwa mu ana so betwa no foforo.
Nti omo da so for no so no.
I don't know law school.
Automatic no.
Hello.
Right, hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Sir Mike. Hello, Sir Mike. What do you mean, car?
Me too, Kapa. Yentio, that Robert. About me too, Kapa. Yentio. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Hello. Well, hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello, Sir Mike.
Good evening.
Good evening, Micha, Papa, no producers. No, Mr. Samdako, Sidako, Michiano, Pa.
Okay.
I can't make any say, Roger and Domini Mama, a doctor, and a Bassadana, Mishran, Papa. Which I mean, the officer chat to class now before calling or 2 foot to good gun of money. Mahama mechanical Biate or bar or be good for education and no bar double track and also be year for because ya be that. And then says so the chess school, your double track and so back a promise and maybe a Professor Thomas by no more run a shift. Professor Tama no Roger the money mama buy no omu yi sad ni from and planning na ka bom ko school and nem lo omu so omko eni bi na mahama sa ka che Ghana fo nyina say ye na esika ka first salary GM ni go code no obo obetua ye ka free I can say fertilizers obo de be maye enti the MPP fo here no so can try to mahama so na dey won ni mo resemu say oba sami money na waka no obetua ye na nakufo na ti so obetua ya onyam ye hwe.
Hello, good evening. Hello. Good evening. Good evening, I'm free.
Yes, I'm the catastrophe
Libya, okay, Yentio.
Sir Mike, and we come up to Mini, you know, on the mission of Kakra make an say.
Nanado. That's free education or the buy. Ghana for Mekase. It is free. Can't get a kutu. Obi say o mo de ane di no ka cho say. Oto na ma na ase koto e Cobra and San mo de ane dia. When country say e na would be free. The school na e free no. And you ma get it out to ni na kan one. Let us how for na o tell and so far one. That one district, one dam, one district, one factory. No, why? You come go to you will see a baby or actually, you will see a baby or you will see a baby or in as I one district, one factory, one district, one dam.
Hello, good evening. Right, also with you have 0200 603 602. Shall I say, oh, fra, now all over the volume of the TV set. Now, what your home phone, but to me, Atoka, with me, Abel. Was it good, Mr. Mike? I like your show. Please try and open the phone lines early for us. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, boss.
Good evening, I'm free.
My brother, I am a child is honorable minister.
I'm a feast in you.
Okay. My member anything about a good community. Now, I'm before. Nana and President Mahama proper one. And you said, that's why I said that we are this. Then I let me, I be able to and the teachers work at the moment and uncountable workers. So I think, here you go. How see a one man post. Let me go so much more than billion.
Was our normal fryer now networking? Mr. Communication Industry. Hello, good evening. Hello, okay, going to me. So I think was our normal network. There's a challenge, there's a problem. I was before her normal address it to me at the you are not the first person. What from that something, right? Also, with me, I'm now to me. Hello, good evening.
Hello, yeah.
You are free.
The cafe free kono.
Okay, you.
Yo, okay. Asoma mo kana manage ho pa na niemo yen so no mo ya de. Na niemi hu ne se MPP for na nsema mo kana. Otum se omo kan nsema eto enipa adwemu pa. Na ayi free education ananado di aba no. Enya asem ketwa o. Yen ye won krase no. Emfaso a yen fi super even enipa huye no eye nwanwa. Also mu say saade ya abai abua Ghana pa abua Ghana for mapa enya asem ketwa. Ba mu ya na mu kasa tia free education no. Eye nwanwa kra. Eye nwanwa nti mu say ade a wode aba no ade a ide papa. Goma ma betra so oyeye no otwa niam bebre mu na afi no oba say ode niam esan ba na obi a want me anya ade ndia o ze ne esade bibisa akohye ne nsa bi na munyi ni flu okra ne hu ne yeye medamasi
good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Mike.
Yes, we never are free.
The Mike, where? I'm can tell this one. The combat my young cadet,
Manos are coming. Why?
Mr. Mamma can tell this one. So much my young combat my much my young for the Roma, the Yamayano. At your window, moon to twice more young. Why? You can just do well.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Yeah.
Serious.
Okay, serious into.
I'm for personal memo about what I'm touching to point shop. Me to from with you. Only I'm more from a person about so. Third, it's why I was said 2020 your trouble manner. Any cash about the over my then I have what you okay that no. Ya mamuna amuma kuno se omoni adi pa o dunia hwe ye tigana ho na fa enku fado o tigana jini ko be chese ko jiska na ba ngi fi ko ja kuno mo mbi ka kuno o di ses kana de abefucha bibi so you tigana de o ma
ọkọ sika odi che na na ye se butio se sika yi na na do na butia fo na fo no omo twa mo hye mo sika sika na fo nti wo sha wo che wo sika na ya mo sikotia wo ya tia bi daba na ya to daba wo ne ho ko pe mama pe mi oso no you to for almost 43%. This is not the fuel number 24. It's a double hotel pa.
Okay.
Into better
Then 40 serious. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Bajoka say free evening.
I am Patrick Free Sankor.
Sankor into.
Joe, yeah, I'm before. When you also the TV, can you? 18 to it's a gun of
Sankor is also it's a problem.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, free.
But I want to say
Nyamia do wako.
the person for this west of the BNE.
Maybe any into.
What some can say? Hello?
Into power.
Say, you want to have been to work and you want to Asa. Don't be country and the mamma no matter what I count. That's it.
Okay. That's it. I want to okay. Hello, good evening. Hello? Okay. Hello, good evening. Alright. Well, you see, if I course, it's here. Only if I say I'm here much now. Now, yet to me at us. Well, it's the one face here. My mirror was still 30 seconds each. Nothing. Yeah, sorry, Echo. Tamanisa? Yeah, call.
Mirabia.
30 seconds.
Oh, somebody, me Sam. Oh, say, as a party, yes.
Okay.
Aha. Near me, Patcher said, Chair, Obi Frere, Libya. A moment born in Tina of free gun I call Libya. Only one free senior high school start here. No, no. Omra, no metie, ye on the to send me. Ometie, Ghana yet to Omra. Why? Na near me can say. On a more serious note, President John Mahama, sir, uni bibiama uswa umonokrono. Ntimi pani chopi. On see on the 24th of June 2016, or see on I have no job for the graduates. Young country John Mahama na kind.
Right.
What must I say? And I'm correct and back home. Me Kasana let me see on the 9th of September 2016, John Mahama can say on restore win even if you lose. Yes. Okay. You see, he said it on the 4th, okay. But graphic carried it on the 9th.
Okay, may I see? Minister of State, Honorable Katsina Blemafiku, you're watching us. Mommy, very good evening. George.
Samai, yeah, they make and say, so be Kasana say, some can I cry. We shouldn't because you are proud to lose as well can you cry. It's my president Mohammed and I quite to say, that's in so fun. It's when you say, could do a bad cry, so when you say, Obi Yankwa. And now, what the 2016 to 2021 in election years. Now, after 2016, and son and they drew Sata by June. Say Anaka Belbusmisi and I say Kotuaban. Now share public lectures and Dr. Baumia are organizing a declare policies of Guaquemua. Now who said PPI was a to me. Yes, so I'm going to see a book my mobia, a dear dancer said, Nana Bufado, a subi mother, that's what public. And some President Mahama aircraft. Said a chairman can when you be a Marcia, German, Magana,
say, Banchi, Eya, a Janabet, and no real Biabu. The Kuba Mamu Bonnie reality, or 4 you must say, Sabbath, or 4 you must, but let's a crowd, General Power, in fear name what to come for the last and moon you are. In fear name what to sleep for less than I wish you were. Some of you are in December, but Tuni. Unless you were not here for I see.
number 14. NBC number 14 now, na me kwase. Almost fertilizer paper. Fertilizer now we fertilizer we see free fertilizer.
Na Ghana for fan to say
they were stealing it, and you come back to come and say you are going to give them fair.
Yes, you are attacking me. Promise now. Maybe they are at least.
And 2020, and 2020, we are 6 regions.
What is your message? At least I have said something. You don't have a single message as of now.
Yes, the other thing you
regional communication team member for the George Opoku Aponsa, yes, personal assistant to the KMA mayor. What's Etria Bafo, regional communication team member for the NDC. I said that and come on so Nyamre Eshaye. If you come on Mohis Herbal Center, Dr. Muhammad Isa Biu, so also discuss so so and God's Way Casket. So we now a boy made every meeting at the Michael Nana Adma work from Mr. Mike, me producer better that day. Come Frank and I feel so Loretta Augustina. Ominano LMCR on FY production manager Otri Nozo, executive producer and director Samuel Kwabna Dap, aka Sam Dap. It is Namia Motra, Versailles active.